how many terms are there in arithmetic progression whose first and fifth terms are 14 and 2 respectively and last term is 62. ఓకేనా, మనకి ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చారు, ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చారు, లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చారు. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హౌ మెనీ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. వి నో ద nth టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ an AP ఫార్ములా an ఈక్వల్స్ టు a ప్లస్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ d. లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ అంటే an 62 అని. ఓకేనా, ఏ వాల్యూ తెలియదు, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ తెలియదు. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ -14, సారీ -14 ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ and n minus 1 into d. n value we have to calculate, n minus 1 into d value we have to calculate, d we have to calculate. If the value of d is substituted here, we can get value of a. Okay, to find out the value of d, now we can do, given first term is -14, first term is -14 and fifth term is 2. Fifth term means a plus 4d equals to 2. Fifth term is, here we know that the value of a equal to -14 plus 4d equals to 2. 4d equals to -14 gets this plus 14, 4d equals to 16. 2 ones, 4 ones, 4 fours. Therefore value of d equal to 4. Substitute d value 4 in this equation. Then we can get 62 plus 14 equals to n minus 1 into the value of d is 4 here. 62 plus 14, 76 equals to n minus 1 into 4. Therefore 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Therefore n minus 1 equals to 19. Therefore n equals to 19 plus 1. There are 20 terms in that progression. Thank you. The sum of first 15 terms of AP is 750 and its first term is 15. Find its 20th term. Okay, the given first term is 15, which is A. Okay, sum of first 15 terms is 15. We know that sum of first 10 terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of first 10 terms of arithmetic progression. Here n is first 15 terms means 15 by 2 and 2 into, here a is the first term which is 15 plus n minus 1 stands for 15 minus 1. Why? Because first 15 terms, n is 15 here. Value of d we have to find out.